Oh no, there's no light. Nime capture ikifika 2. It's currently 2 p.m. and I want us to spend the afternoon together. It's on Monday. I did not go to school. I've been catching up on a couple of things and I've actually managed to do most of the stuff. But that doesn't matter. What matters is what we're about to do. Number 1, I want to catch up on the unit tunaenda kufanya. Say it's called ES42 Operations Research. As you can see, I have no notes, and that lecturer hapeanangi notes, like hapeani PDF. He's going to explain, and then whatever he explains, that's what you're supposed to kushika. You get the point, right? Yeah. I'm looking for an intro, but for now, let's use this one. So number 1, I'm gonna catch up with whatever nilitumiwangwa notes na rafiki yangu. I'm gonna catch up, and then we're gonna leave the house at around, the class starts at 5 to 7. So I'm gonna leave the house at around 4. So I have 2 hours, and I've been reading this book. Woo, woo, woo. Chika boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Does this chair has always to produce that sound nikika. Anyway, haina shida. I've been reading this book, The Alchemist. I love the storyline. I need you guys to comment down below vitabu zingine zenye naweza soma. To be honest, while I was back in high school, number 1, hata sijui kama nilimalizanga kusoma hiyo novel. I think it's because it was mandatory for me to do it. Like sasa akili yangu inaniambia ai we sisiki kufanya hivyo, because like I'm being forced to do it. It's against my will. But right now I'm just reading books. I have like, so far I have read like 4 books within a period of sijui how long. Like nimeanza kupata hiyo inaitwa nini? Okay, in person okay. Nimeanza hii kitu inatoa manyoya, ziko everywhere, nimeziona mpaka ziko kwa uso yangu. So I wanna catch up. I keep my head. What was I saying? I was saying you guys to comment down below other type of books that you have read and have found zikikuwa interesting. I don't want like motivational books. I want fiction books. Okay, not like fiction, but fiction in a make sense. Una get fiction yenye there's something you're going to learn from that fiction. Okay, what is the meaning of fiction? I don't know, but mi nataka kitabu yenye iko na storyline. Nataka kama ni motivational, ikuwe na storyline kutoka mwanzo to mwisho, like a story that I can follow. Like, I think you get the point. Let me study alafu we get ready and go to school. I'll be back. Stick around. Actually, I think having a YouTube intro is so lame. Yeah, fight me. Cause why mbona unatuwekea, kwani hii ni kipindi? Kwani ni kipindi? Si kipindi. Kwenda huko, mbona uko na nini? Mbona uko na YouTube intro? Wewe tuambie tu chenye unafanya kwa video alafu tusonge. Actually mimi sitatumia intro tena. This is the last video kama nimetumia. Actually ninasema hivi na hata sija edit video. So I don't know if I'm gonna put my nini there. But yeah, any other time from now I'll just be telling you whatever is in the video, and then we just continue. Cause yangu, mine was so lame, like it was just dance. It was so childish, guy. I need to start studying. Bye. Mimi nimechoka kusoma. Sijafanya a lot. But nimechoka. Nasikia kuteka break. So I'm gonna get ready to go to school. These are the clothes zenye nitavaa. This top right here. Guy, inakaka imetoka kwa mdomo ya ng'ombe. Na hii. Let me get dressed. Here's the outfit. Oh, my love for black. And guys, have you noticed that I have pimples? I'm breaking. Okay, my skin iko na breakout. Asijui ni za nini. Yeah, viatu. I need some comfortable shoes. But then, you know, I don't have sinanga viatu open. I need to go shopping and get open shoes. Najua nimezoea kuvaa ka boy guy, but I need to get sika boy, like nimezoea my sport shoes and all. But nizenye bado nitavaa sahi. Hizi. Kuna msee shinichongoka niambia hizo viatu zimechoka. But if I get something good, I swear I'm gonna use it. If I get something that is serving me, I'm gonna use it like for the longest. Mpaka iishe. So mnaona ikiatu, I think this shoe is 2 years old. And it looks good as new. 2 years. The only thing inaweza waambia ni huku na huku down. Yeah, so it's 3:52. Let me come and fix the hair. Take a style. Personally. No, I'm gonna take it personally. Cause why? What? You just don't do that. People know what they're doing out here. Take it personally. Kinda. We're leaving the house. As usual, this same bag. I'm actually gonna get another bag, but not for school. Nimebakisha miezi 2 nimaliza shule. Oh my days, I'm so excited. I actually lost my pods. Naendanga nikisikiza ngoma na pods. Na sijui kwenye ziko. I've tried to look for them. Sizipati, and kwenda sasa na headphones inakaa tedious. Ama leo nisiende kusikiza muziki. I think I won't listen to music today. I've carried the book in case lesson he bounced. In case the lesson he bounced, I'm gonna read the book that I've been reading. Let me just go. See you in school. I was walking to class here, and then this bag of mine iko na bags mbili. East side iko pocket, sorry. And then I reached out to one of them, and then guess what I found? Guess what I found inside? Mimi nataka kusanikisiwa lakini hakuna joso. Let me just show you. I found them. Lakini nimeacha case kwa nyumba, so guess I'm now using them. Oh my god, I've not been recording. Yo, I was telling you guys that I did my brows too. Zinaka weird. But I think ni from close up, because from far away they don't look like that. I hope I'm just doing the lulu. I'm late again. I don't like getting late, but ni 17 make a wish. Amen. Let me get to class. Making it. Cheki venye kuna kaa huku chini. And what did they tell us? Cleaning in progress. Most of the time, I'm late for class. And this is how I entered class. Ikikana nakaanga mbele. Sijui kalenda la. Let me show you. How do you this one? Okay. Lazima. I've arrived at home. It's 8:14. niko na chakula kwa nyumba, but I was thinking of making a short video showing you how I'm gonna like kushikanisha chakula, but nasikia kushoot video is a lot of work. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm taking chipo. I wanted to make kachumbari. I might ninaweza jiforce nitengeneze ka short video juu sijakuwa nikipost TikTok. I think I'm gonna do that. Take a bath and then eat. See you in a bit. Nakaa fiti guys. Nilikuwa niende nitolewe hizi lashes. Nilisahau. Guys, here's my food. Chipo, sausage, na fruits. Let me show you. I'm feeling sleepy and it's 9. Like, yo, is that how that lesson imenipeleka hivyo mbio? Because why am I this sleepy at this hour? Wow. Sijamanage kurecord nikitengeneza jote, sijatengeneza kachumbari. Nimekatakata tu matunda. Na hivyo. Nini nyingine imebaki? Kuambia tu bye. Nasikia usingizi. I think today I woke up so early. 5, okay. Niko na alarm ya 5 na please do not fight me. Yeah, I do. Nilisikia nikazima. I think I woke up at 6. Yeah, akili yangu inafaa kulala by 10. So guys, good night. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Comment down below what type of videos you would want to see. I haven't defined the niche ya channel yangu kabisa. So just anything. Yeah, comment down below what type of videos you want to see more. See you. Bye. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you something. Okay, hiki tu inafanyanga ninakaa weird. Bala haina shida. Kama kuna kitu mimi sipendi, ni msee aniekea chipo ama call them whatever, fries, alafu aninyunyizie hapo juu. Oh. No, mimi natakanga ikue kando. Either ikue ina juu, ina ka sauce kake, ama ikue tu kando. Mimi usinichanganishie. Period. That's all I wanted to say. Bye.